Hi, I'm Jill Sylvester, and today I am introducing our line of social and emotional tools called Planting the Seeds cards. This particular line is called Planting the Seeds Affirmations for kids to overcome anxiety. They are designed for kids ages 8 and up. They are great for adults too, and they are meant to be used in the classroom, at home, or in session if you are a therapist or a counselor or a coach. So I designed these cards to use in session with my clients years ago as a licensed mental health counselor, and I also use them at home with my own kids. And the way they're designed to be used is you can start the day by randomly shuffling a card, shuffling the card deck, and picking a card, for example, that says, I am calm. So we are training kids to think in positive ways by using these cards, by getting their mindset to immediately start in the right direction. So instead of having a negative mindset, you're training your children to fire those neurotransmitters in the direction that you want them to go. So by saying, I am calm, you are sending the body a message to be calm and helping kids to start to think in ways that make them feel calm. So you might want to ask them a question of what are things that make you feel calm in your body? Can you say this as a mantra over and over during the day today so that you feel good? Parents over the years have showed me how they put these in their kids' lunch boxes, how they put them on the fridge, how they put them next to their breakfast plate in the morning so that they can start thinking in ways that are positive. You can also use them when your kids are navigating tricky situations. So maybe if there's something that's come up for them and they're feeling kind of down, shuffle the deck, pull a card that says, I am a team player. Ask them questions like, what makes you a team player? What does it look like to be a team player? Who is someone you know who is a great team player that you can emulate if you don't have those social skills yourself? We also have parent and teacher conversation tools on my website, on Amazon, that prompt teachers and parents to be able to use the cards and the type of questions associated with each card in order to help them navigate these emotional and social discussions. So for more information on my card decks, you can go to Amazon under Jill Sylvester's Planting the Seeds. And you can also go to my website for more information, jillsylvester.com. We love these cards. They work. Again, I designed them years ago, for my children, for my kids in session as a counselor. And they're helpful, and they're happy, and they're cheerful, and they get kids thinking in ways that they need to be thinking. And kids need these type of social and emotional tools now more than ever. So we hope that this resonates with you, and if you like this video, please share it with those who you feel would benefit. Thank you.